Hello friends, we will try to show you how to reach to the Retouchreform coaching center. So basically if you are coming from NH2, so this is the road. Let me show you one more time. So this is the road you are coming from NH2 towards the Gangpur station. So this is the corridor you have to follow to reach to the overbridge. One thing, you can see the ticket counter. So we are now following the overbridge. So if you are coming from NH2, then it's right over the bridge. So we're just climbing up to the bridge, and as I said, this is Gangpur station. This station is just the last station before you reach to the Bardhaman junction if you are coming from Howrah. So if you are coming from Bardhaman junction, so this is just very next station, Gangpur, right? So if you are coming from Bardhaman junctions or Howrah, it's just over to the bridge. So if you are coming from NH2, so this is the corridor you have to follow. I'm just okay, so this is it. I mean, from the overbridge, the first white building is the institute. So this is the view, the white building. I'm just going down further. So this building, further down. So this is it. We're exactly in the building now. So see you, Sean. Bye bye.